Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. The original Super Bee dates back to 1968 to 1971, the height of the muscle car era. Dodge saw their sister company, Plymouth, sales surge with the Roadrunner. The classic B-body platform, their mid-size platform that Mopar used for cars such as the Fury, the Coronet, the GTX, the Charger, and Dodge wanted to join the game, so they asked Mopar, and Mopar came out with the 1968 Super Bee that was originally available in colors such as B5 blue and plum crazy purple. Included on the Super Bee is an 8.4-inch Uconnect entertainment system, which includes the SRT dashboard, giving you features such as line lock, adjustable launch control with different RPM choices to launch at, as well as the performance pages gauges to give you an accurate idea of what's going on while you push this car to the limit. This particular vehicle also includes the carbon and suede option package, so you'll get authentic carbon fiber treatment on the interior, a suede headliner, suede inserts on the seat to hold you in place, as well as a slew of other carbon fiber treatments spaced throughout the interior to give you a nice curb appeal. What makes this the fastest naturally aspirated muscle car ever made is a 6.4-liter V8 nestled firmly underneath the hood. Produces 485 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. That equates out to a 4.3 second 0 to 60 and 11.7 second quarter mile. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.